Hi there. Today we're going to unbox and build this product I received as a sample from WORKPRO. This is the outdoor galvanized raised garden bed with wheels and legs. So let's see if I can build it. Unboxing, we have some gloves, we have the shelf, we have the sides, and we have this top shelf base. Here's some rails, the handle, and some hardware. And more. And finally, we have some wheels, so this will be fun. Looks like we have two of the long side panels and two of the short side panels. Okay, so the first thing it tells you to do is to peel off this protective coating. They've gone to great lengths to make sure that this looks nice when you get it and when you build it. This is a little time consuming, but it's worth it in the end to have it look pristine and nice. So we took all of the protective coating off, or at least started to peel it off, so that the ends where we're going to be attaching hardware, the plastic coating is out of the way. First thing we did is we took the long leg here and we are going to attach it here, and then we're going to attach this leg here. Okay, so step 1 and 2 was the bolts in the longer leg and the bolts in the wheel leg. There it is. Okay, we've inserted the bolts loosely for this side. We're going to go ahead and do it over here on this side with a handle. And here we are over here. We've installed the handle. Now we've attached the bottom panel 4 bolts. We're going to move over and do the other side. Okay, and now that we have a little bit of structure, we can kind of tilt this forward and get those back screws in. Now we put the other leg on, and we're going to move to the other side. Okay, so here we are. We have 4 legs on, the bottom and the sides. Now we're going to move on. Okay, we did the 10 bolts in the other side, so now we just have to add the remaining bolts on this side. It's looking pretty good. We're being really careful not to over tighten any of these bolts right now. Okay, we're just attaching the bottom shelf. Okay, we just attached the bottom shelf. Now that we know it's put together properly, I can tighten up all the bolts. I don't have anything missing, and I don't have anything extra. It's good. We're going to install the wheels. We put the axle here, we put a spacer bar on each side, we put a washer on each side. We're going to feed the wheel on. I'm going to put another washer on, and then just go ahead and secure it with that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. What you have to do is just put the protective feet on here. This is a really well-made item. I love it. I can see what went into making it. I want you all to know that if I can build this, you can build it. The only spare parts I have were these 2 bolts, and it was listed on the instructions that I would have 2 extra bolts. So I'm pretty proud of myself. We're going to flip it over and see how it looks. Okay, there it is. All done. Very sturdy. Nice handle on the side. Nice planting area inside with drainage. Very secure. Little shelf at the bottom. And of course, we have some wheels. I love this. And they roll properly. Look at that. Very nicely done, WORKPRO. Very nicely done. This is a win. Okay, so another thing I really like about this is how easy it was to roll out here onto the deck. It fits perfectly. It's a little planting area for me here on the deck where I don't have a ton of space, but it's enough space that I can get something going when it's springtime. And my next video will show you how.